Hey there, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, or welcome if you're new. We are jacket shopping at Burlington Coat Factory for jackets and coats, but we are going to lay down some ground rules as we are shopping. So what you want to keep in mind is to avoid any jackets with shoulder, bust, or sleeve embellishments or details. So none of the crazy stuff up top. We're talking those thick layers of fur. Okay. We're also talking about any decorations, jewelry, any type of anything decorative that's a part of the jacket, especially on the shoulder top, we are not going to do. No, 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 no. So you are going to want to get a jacket that has soft shoulders. You want to do simple, dare I say, plain styles. Just keep it basic. And you want something that's waist defining too. These, the materials in the jackets and coats are real sturdy, so it can really be a good way to give some shape to yourself. So take advantage of that. Also, a shameless plug here. If you don't want to put these outfits together for yourself and you just want a quick and easy reference for you to be able to pick what you want to wear right away, pick up my inverted triangle shopping guide for a smooth and effortless shopping experience. Just click the link below. Alrighty, my loves, I'm going to go and find some coats first. I'm going to pick some lighter colors, even though that goes against, air quote, the rules. I still like wearing bright popping colors because it makes me feel lighter. So we're going to go with that. And here I am. Hello, how you doing? I'm actually wearing a, I think you call it a cardigan. This is actually inverted triangle approved. So something like this will definitely work in your wardrobe. I wear it all the time. It works with everything. I get compliments all the time. Okay, so coat number one, which I am loving. It's got some extra I guess warming things on the inside. I'm from Florida, so I'm not so familiar with the winter type of wardrobe, but I'm pretty sure that's meant to keep you warm, right? So it's got some nice shape going on, and see where it cinches in my waist. We love that. That is what we want right there. And it's also got some soft shoulders, so it's looking pretty good. It's not anything crazy. Got the hoodie in the back, and it's chill. We coolin'. This is a decent choice. Option number two. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. It's so bougie to me. I don't know why, but it gives me bougie vibes. And it's got the cinch right there with the belted waist. The shoulders are soft. The shape is very womanly. It's got the flare on the bottom instead of going straight down. And it's got a hoodie going on the back too, so got to love this. It goes all the way up, so it will keep you nice and warm and cozy. Absolutely adore the color too, because it's really bringing life to me. And here's what it is like when it is closed. Just as nice. Giving shape. It's not taking away. It's giving. It's not taking. It's also pushing in on the back too, so it'll give you some derriere at the same time. That's the amazing part about using a belt cinch for inverted triangles. It gives you that nice cinch, so not only does it add waist, it adds booty too, and it's got some nice warm pockets too. So I just love this. So we got this option here, which I'm actually not a fan of because it's not my size, but if it were my size, it would actually fit really well, I think. The shoulders are soft-ish because that's not where it's supposed to land, so it's giving some awkward things. The lapels, what I just pointed at, those are pretty big, but again, I think it's because the jacket is big, so maybe that's why. This one was for giggles, straight up giggles. It's giving me Missy Elliott, I can't stand the rain, all of that jazz. I was funking out in that. But yeah, this was an example of like a puffer jacket, honestly. And you see how much bulk it adds to me. Look at how small my waist is, and look how much volume it adds to me. Like, and this is it with the hoodie up. Like, whoa, that's a whole lot. But it will keep you warm, I will say that. If you are hard down cold, like snow cold, I would probably like not even care. And here's another puffer that I picked up, but this puffer is doing some better things than the other puffer, honestly. This puffer it's more shapely, like intentional shapely, not like that drawstring that was supposed to give shape. Like, as you can see, they actually cut that and sewed that shape, so we love that. We appreciate that. And here it is with the hoodie up. Your girl is toasty. Okay, onward to some jacket options. I played around with this, honestly. I wasn't going too strict because I wanted to really test the waters. Starting with this. Honestly, with a pair of some like maybe jogger-like pants, some like maybe cargo pants. Oh, yes. And then some like boots or some heels. That would hit so good with this, honestly. It's doing good things. It's shapely, belt, soft shoulders. It's doing good things. So you can't go wrong with anything that has those details. Now this, as you can see, it has a pattern, right? That's actually a no-no, but it's still really feminine. And why is that? It's because it's got the buttonless type of like closure. It's belted, it's flowy, it's got like a flare shape to it, and the shoulders are soft. So that all of those kind of counteract that the fact that it is patterned, because it's got so much other dainty details going on with it. So that's a good thing. The goal is to check off as many feminine attributes of the list as possible. So this checks off a good amount of them. And here it is closed. As you can see, like it's giving girly, it's giving feminine. Just with the right bottoms, this can be a complete look. Maybe wide leg pants will actually do well with this, just to make sure that the shoulders and the bottom of you are in line. This, no. Okay, this is like puffer sleeves. And in a moment, you'll see how it's gonna exaggerate my shape, but yeah, no, it's got too much shoulder going on. Even though it's belted, it's still not enough to, you know, soften the look of my shape. Look how much it's adding to my shoulders. It's so wide. I think it might be like princess sleeves maybe, but yeah, no, this is no good. So this is where you have to be careful with those protruding shapes. If you found this video helpful, definitely give me a thumbs up and let me know down below which jacket was your favorite. Also let me know which one was not hitting. Let me know. Until next time, see ya. Bye.